Hello, my name is Matt Tollison with Blue Tuna Documentation and Training. Welcome to our tutorial for our new on-the-job training module, or OJT. OJT allows you to organize live company training by giving you a tool to create and store records and print certificates. You can run reports on the records that you have recorded, all based on custom classes that you create for on-the-job training. If you have not yet registered for OJT, please contact us to get set up. Now let's navigate to the OJT module. First, let's just click on the training login and go to your customer administrator login page. Just log in as a customer administrator. Once you're logged in, proceed to the reports menu, and you're going to see on-site training with a red new next to it up in your top right corner. Just click on that, and from here it does a little description of different things that it will do for you, such as create a tracking platform, track each employee in attendance, assign pass-fail grades, and print customized certificates, and you can maintain a long-term history of each event. So we want to set up a new class, and it's pretty self-explanatory. First we give a name to the course, so we'll try just some in-house FOD training. You put in the date that you're going to teach the course. So let's say tomorrow from today, that'd be 5/14/2013. How long will it take to complete this training? Let's just say 1 hour. Actually, the hours are in minutes, so you want to put 60 minutes for an hour. The name of the instructor, whoever's going to teach, you want to get their name in here correctly because it will be printed on the certificate. So let's say, and the name of your company, you want that to be on here for the certificate as well. And let's give a brief description of what we presented in the course. So, foreign object debris on site. And this module is really created to fill in a gap that we have with customers in that they want to be able to sometimes train in a classroom setting with their own materials, with their own quizzes. This just provides a tool so that they can take advantage of our learning management systems, recording features, being able to print certificates, all of those types of things. It's a good place to store all your training records, obviously, especially since you're more than likely training with us. Oh, and I got an error here. It says course time to complete is missing. So if you don't fill in everything correctly, it will let you know. So let's see what the deal is here. Oh yeah, it doesn't like you to actually write minutes. It wants just a number. So now it gives us a description here. It gives us a course ID, which is just used for internal purposes for the database. It gives you the name of the course, the date you put in, how long does it take, and that's 1 credited hour. So it actually computes that down to how many credited hours that is. So obviously if you did 120 minutes, it'd be 2 credited hours, but for 1 hour it's just 1. So instructor's name, the name of the company, and the description. Over here we get a little text that tells us to make any corrections, to review and make any corrections. And if you want to preview how a certificate is going to look, you can just click here And this currently is the template we have for certificates. And as you see, it has your information. Uses John Doe just as a name filler for the employee. Okay, let's navigate back. Now, you can go ahead and start entering in employees. It tells you the course you're currently working with. There are no employees currently listed. So let's go ahead and give some employees here. So let's say Bill Stewart. And let's give him an employee number, which can be his actual employee number. But if you don't have employee IDs, or that's not such a deal for you, you can just basically give it any kind of integer will work. So we'll just say 0001 for the first employee. Let's give it another one, Jake Reed 000. And these don't even have to be consecutive numbers. It's just, I'm just giving it for organization's sake. Okay, so let's add these two employees. And they are now registered for this course. So let's see here. We have, you at this point you would say, did they pass or fail the quiz once they've taken the quiz? So this guy passed, and let's make Jake fail. And we want to print their certificate, so we just put a check mark next to anybody who we want to print. You can obviously edit employees. If you haven't gotten results yet, you can keep it as no results. So let's post the past grade. Let's print. Click. Print certs. Now, as you see, Jake did not pass. So his cert is not going to be ready to print. Now, Bill did pass, so we get him up here in the list of certs that are ready to be printed. So until Jake actually passes and we flag him as passed, and then post his grade, come back and do print certificates again, he should be added, and there we go. So Bill and Jake are now added to the queue, and we can hit print. Now, here we are. We've got two certs to print, both with the dates, the course, the credit, company, and it looks like we're good. So at this point, we can just print directly, using your whatever printer you have set up, and that will generate your certificate. So this is actually a very effective way to store your training records for on-job training. We hope that you enjoy this new feature, and if you have any concerns or needs, please do email us or give us a call, and this tool will evolve over time. Thank you.